Pastor Madzorera, how are you?
I'm fine, Michael. Zvirise?
Ndiri nani.
Yes.
Ko nai pastor. Ndine mubvunzo wandinawo.
All right.
Kuti ZORORAI nemusi WESABATA zvinoreva kuti NAMATAI. Ko ndikafunga hangu kunamata any other day usiri musi WESABATA pane zvakashata.
Okay. All right. Rikanditange nekupindura mubvunzo wako kupedzisira.
Yes.
Ndozodzoka kuna kutanga pauri kuti ko ndikanamata hangu any other day pane chakashata here nekunamata any other day.
Yes.
The Bible is very clear. Ukaenda kuna I think it's a common text. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 17. And pray without ceasing.
Yes, that's true.
Kuti Mwari hatotarisiri kuti pane patinomboti masana hatisi kunamata. Tichazonamata musi wakati.
All right.
Okay?
Yes.
Then Luke chapter 18 verse 1. And Jesus told them this parable, which was meant to teach them that men ought to pray always. Saka nyaya kunamata haina misi, haina mazuva ari special. We just have to cultivate the habit of praying always.
Yes.
Saka hapana chakashata nekuti Monday uri kunamata, Tuesday uri kunamata, Wednesday uri kunamata, Friday uri kunamata, Sunday uri kunamata. Hazvina chakaipa. But now ndoda kudzoka pamubvunzo wako kutanga kuti kana Mwari achiti zororai nemusi weSabata ari kureva here kuti tofanira kunge tichinamata musi uyu. Okay?
Yes.
Rega nditange nekuna Leviticus ndokwakanyatsopihwa an explicit command.
Okay.
Kuti it's not just a day of resting, but God also expects us to meet for worship. Leviticus 23 verse 3. 6 days shall work be done, but the 7th day is the Sabbath of rest. It is a holy convocation.
Yes.
You shall not do work in it. It is the Sabbath of the Lord in all your dwellings. Okay? Saka kana verse ichiti it is a holy convocation. Mushona ndokuti iungano tsvene. It is a holy gathering. To convocate is to gather. Now if it is now a holy gathering, which means haisingori gathering yavanhu varida kutamba bhora, haisiri gathering yavanhu vari kumirira kombi, haisiri gathering yerally yekunovhota. It's now a holy gathering, which means yaungano yevanhu vari kuita zvinhu zvitsvene. Saka Mwari akanyatsospecify the Sabbath day is a day of holy convocating. We convocate, we gather for holy purposes. And ukachiuya kuNew Testament now, you'll see examples dzevanhu vanyatsoratidza kuti they were still following after that same command yekuobserva the 7th day as the day of a holy gathering. Dakuverenga Luke ndotanga naJesu Kristu iye pache zvake. Luke chapter 4 verse 16. Luke 4 verse 16. Iyo and he came to Nazareth,
Yes.
where he had been brought up. And as his custom was, he went into the synagogue on the Sabbath day, and he stood up to read.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
As his custom was, he went to the synagogue on the Sabbath day. So yaitwa tsika yaJesu Kristu pakati pevhiki akadai. But on the Sabbath day, he would go and convocate nevamwe kusynagogue. Not only Jesus Christ, Acts chapter 17 verse 2, the Apostle Paul himself, because ndiye anowanzosaitwa nevanhu kuti akati hazvisina basa. Acts 17 verse 2, and Paul, as his manner was, went in unto them, and for 3 Sabbath days reasoned with them out of the scriptures. Okay, so for 3 Sabbath days, and Paul would reason with them from the scriptures, which means vaitora sezuva rekuungana vachidzidza bhaibheri kana magwaro aMwari, and it means that was his manner. Just like it was also Christ's custom, it was also Paul's manner. Acts 18 verse 4, kana kuti alright, gandoverenge Acts 16 verse 13, I think. It's 16 verse 13. And on the Sabbath we went out of the city by a riverside where prayer was supposed to be made. And we sat down and spoke unto the women who resorted there. So on the Sabbath day, we went out of the city. We sat by the riverside where we were supposed to have prayer. So ndopa wakatosaridza kuitira worship yedu panapa nasi pa riverside. So yaitwa tsika even after Christ had gone back to heaven of the apostles, they would gather on the Sabbath day, and they'll have time to study the word of God, and they'll have time for worship. Even Paul, Acts chapter 18 and under Torah, Ephesians 4, the same thing. Next Sabbath, the whole city gathered, and Paul akaendera mberi achidzidzisa. So yes, I would say yes. The Sabbath day is a holy convocation. God specified it as a day atinoungana tichimunamata tichidzidza kubva mukati mebhaibheri tichinzwa iye achitaura isi tichitaurawo kwaari nemunamato. but hazvirevi kuti any other day vanhu havafani kudii
Havafaniri
kunamata. But the Sabbath day has been specifically laid aside for that only, not for anything
for
else.
holy gathering.
Yes.
Okay, maita basa pastor.
Nditika.
Thank you for the information.
Thank you very much. Kana zvava zviri clear, we thank God.
All right, thank you.
Okay.